Okay, this is a quick hack for you guys. This is for our dog because our dog hasn't been feeling well, so now we have to cook for him. But sometimes, there's a lot of times you don't have time to cook. Quick hack, you cook overnight rice, you know how there's the stuff that gets stuck at the bottom? Put just a little bit of water in there, just a little bit, not a lot. Because the extra rice is going to soak up, it's going to get up from the pot, see? And then this stuff, the mushy rice, you put straight in your dog's bowl. You know why? Because that's the way they like to eat their rice anyway. So you get some of that mushy rice in there. And so instead of tossing the rice and putting the rice in a bag, see all that extra rice the dog's getting? That's his rice, that's the water. The pot is now available for cleaning. Once you give him the rice, you're gonna want to put something on top. In this case, today we're gonna go with tuna. Make sure that our poor guy gets all his vitamins in there. See, after a while of cooking for the dog, you get tired of cooking for the dog, especially for people like me. I have 4 kids and I have to cook for them as well. This just makes more sense. This cuts time. I promise you, your dog's gonna love it. And if you want, we don't have any more in here. But this is exactly what I've been telling my wife as well. Baby food. Our baby doesn't like to eat like turkey rice mixture when we buy it. So what I do is I use the turkey rice baby food. I know this says banana, but we use turkey rice baby food, and we'll top it off with that. Dogs, cats, they can all eat baby food as well, especially if they need their grains and their nutritions. Go ahead, buddy. It's on you. Hey, let me see your nose. What do you got? See, this is the stuff that keeps getting caught up in his digestive system that's screwing up his stomach. And then we end up having to do this stuff for him. But he's happy. We have seen a huge difference in his coat. His appetite seems to be a lot better. Gaticus. And yep, there's happiness. Welcome back, my fellow bosses. Okay, right now we're going to do an opening. This is from Wizard Pins. Of course they sent it FedEx, and that's the box. That's the way the box came. Thank you, FedEx, you bunch of freaking morons. Can't even deliver a freaking package properly. Let's see what they look like. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful pins. Comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram. I'll throw my Instagram on the description. Once you get to my Instagram account, message me, let me know you did everything, and we'll be sending you a Cigar Boss pin and possibly a sticker. Cigar Boss out.